Hello, you're welcome to today's class. We've been told to add 101101 in base 2 plus 110111 in base 2. Okay, these are base 2 numbers, and in base 2 numbers there are only 2 digits, zeros and 1. Okay, so now we are going to arrange this like this: 1 0 1 1 0 1 in base 2. Okay, plus, let's start from the last digit, 1. Okay, 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, in base 2. Now we are going to add this. Now we are going to start from the far right. Okay, now 1 plus 1 is 2. We do not write the 2 because base 2 numbers contain only 2 digits, zeros and 1. Okay, so instead of writing 2, we are going to be dividing 2 by 2. Remember that it's in base 2. So we divide 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Okay, and so we divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is what? It's 1, remainder 0. Okay, it's 1, remainder 0. Now we write down the remainder, which is 0, and carry 1 down here. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 gives us 2. We have 2 again, but we cannot write down 2 here. What we do is to divide what? 2 by 2. 2 divided 2 is what? 1, remainder 0. Same as this. Now we write down the remainder, which is 0, and carry what? 1. Okay? Now we now have 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. We have 3, but we cannot write down 3. What do? We write down 3 somewhere here and divide it by what? 2. Okay? 3 divided by 2. And 3 divided by 2 is what? 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1. It's 1, remainder 1. So we are going to still write down the remainder, which is 1 here, and carry 1 down here. 1 plus 1 is 2. We have 2. We divide by 2 again. Gives us what? 1, remainder 0. We write down the remainder, which is 0, and carry 1. Okay? 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 1 gives us 2. Isn't it? Still 2 divided by 2 is still 1, remainder 0. We write down 0, carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 1 gives us 3. Remember that base 2 numbers contain only zeros and 1. So we cannot write down 3. Instead we divide 3 by 2, and so we have 1, remainder 1. Okay? Now we write down the remainder 1. There is nowhere else to carry this other 1 to. This one. So what do? We write it down here. And so this is our final answer.